There are three types of people when it comes to cars. There's the car person. No one will ever love the car the way they do, so they do absolutely everything on their own, from oil changes to new brakes. Then there's people like me. I have a background in engineering. I could figure it out, but I don't have the right tools and would rather pay someone else to take care of my car, because it's just not something I love to do. And then there are people who don't even understand why cars need oil changes. They might ask, didn't the car have oil in it when I bought it? The same categories hold true for financial planning and investing. Unless you're an enthusiast, you could benefit from working with a financial advisor, a financial mechanic of sorts. You'll gain back time, allowing you to focus on what you love to do instead of what you need to do. It can reduce your stress by being able to rely on someone who has decades of experience. Working with an advisor who can remain arm's length as a professional third party can also help you avoid emotional investment decisions. After all, isn't it better to act than react? Accountability is key too, to help keep you on track towards your goals. Like a personal trainer who gets you motivated to do that workout, without them, you'd likely hit snooze and go back to sleep. Plus, it gives you a backup plan. If you're married, chances are one of you handles most of the finances. Wouldn't it feel good to know that if something happens to you, your loved ones have someone to call and depend on? And an advisor can guide you through major life transitions, like job changes, kids going to college, and retirement. Now that you know where you stand, and maybe have a better understanding of your relationship with your mechanic, watch our next video about how to pick the right advisor for you. Reach out to us if we can help. At DV Financial, we help you get comfortable with your money.